Genius, welcome to the IQ Boost. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey viewers, welcome back. The new video, nobody can find 65 within 15 seconds. Come on my genius viewers, you found it. Time is up. Find the odd letter SR within given time. Hey, come fast, viewers, you found it. Come on, time is over. Wow, my viewers is very genius. Come on viewers, are you focus master? Find 68 within time. Time is over. Hey viewers, find the odd one, 99 within given time. That's great! Challenge your eyes, find 90 within time. Hey viewers, you are confused? Come on, time is up. Come on, legend, test your observation power. Find 35 within time. Time is up. Come on, legend, test your brain. Find the odd one within time. Boom, boom! That's great! Test your eyes, find 99 within given time. Time is over. Come on, legend, find the odd letter VG within 15 seconds. Wow, excellent work. Where are my genius viewers? Come on, find the odd one, 21 within time. Wow, good job. Boost your IQ level, find 63 93 within time. Amazing! Come on viewers, test your visual skills, find 93 within time. Time is up. Hey viewers, find the odd one out, 78 within time. Amazing! Come on legend, next medium level start. Come on viewers, focus mode on, find 762 within time. Where my focus master? Come on, time is over. How good are your eyes? Find 370 within given time. Come on genius, time is up. Hey viewers, spot the difference number 186 within given time. Wow, that's great! Hey viewers, can you find 484 within time? Wow, amazing! Find the odd letter A within 15 seconds. Where are my genius viewers? Come on, you found it. Time is up. Hey viewers, find the odd number 140 within 15 seconds. Wow, that's great! Come on, legend, test your observation skills. Find the odd number within 15 seconds. Come on, legend, time is over. Challenge your eyes. Find the odd number within given time. Wow! Excellent work! Come on, legend! Are you focus master? Find 2055 within time. Wow! Excellent work! Come on, viewers, test your eyes. Find the odd number within given time. Time is over. Come on, genius, spot the odd number within 15 seconds. Wow, your IQ level is perfect. Come on, viewers, don't forget to share your score in the comment box.